everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngenimba guys. Well sikhuluma ngenimba kule nyanga ke izoqala uAugust. Guys, bathi ke Zethu's journey into motherhood takes a devastating and unexpected turn, and as one family prays for miracles, another is forced to face the consequences of the past. Well guys, uzethu ke uzoteta manje ngoAugust ingane kalikamva, and immediate ingane likamva like as a first time mom uzogowa ke kakhulu. And niyakhumbula guys ukuthi uzethu vele umuntu nje uhleze ecabanga kakhulu, uhleze ne-stress, wazi wathatha amaphilisi nje because of those reasons ukuthi uya overthink. So nakhona ekutheni abe umama, I think she is not that ready, but a newborn will bring joy and ignite a painful family battle. But as the time goes by, uzethu will quietly slips further into darkness. I think she is stressed, trying to figure out ukuthi ulikamva ke uzoyikhulisa kanjani ingane. You know, it would just be a lot from her plate. But motherhood becomes an overwhelming burden for uzethu. Bese guys kuthiwa ke uthumeka ke will step in as assist or assist as ugogo wengane. But ke uzethu ke bakithi isimo sakhe sizoba sibanzima kakhulu, ingane ayifici ngekho ngathi lahlekile, like she will be careless ngomntwana in a way. And ke lokho uzokwenza uthumeka ke ukuthi ke angenelele. But ke guys, something ezokwenza uthumeka ukuthi ke uzothatha ke uzethu ayo fighter for a custody, or uzohamba ayo report ukuthi uzethu is not fit ukuthi angaba umama wengane ke, then she start fighting for a custody yomzukulu wakhe, and that would just be a lot for uzethu. Yo guys, niyamazi guys uthumeka ke, niyamazi ukuthumeka making a decision that will tear the two family apart forever. And umama kazethu guys akafuni vele uzethu ayekule family, because ifamily yabothumeka iselfish, icabangela yona kakhulu. I think uzethu need help. Not ukuthi bamthathele ingane, bathathe custody ingane belonge kubo. I don't think so. I think uzethu udinga nje i-counseling eserious ukuthi akwazi ukusekhla kahle, abe right, accept ukuthi uma wengane. So uthumeka guys ufuna ukuvusa ulikamva, amvuse ngingane kalikamva. So nje month of August, it's going to be very difficult for uzethu. It's going to be very difficult for ifamily yamabandla. It will just be a lot. So yeah guys, yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share your opinion. Which side are you in? Are you in Zethu's side? Are you on Zethu's side, or are you on Thumeka's side? Bye.